How's it going? Welcome. BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto communities, BLUECREW, and all the communities out there. Guys, welcome to another Crypto Talk Radio. Appreciate you tuning in. We got SGB NFTs now on Flare Finance. Big news today. It is August 22nd. It's a Monday. Hopefully everybody is starting their week off on the right foot. How's it going, XRP? Free me. Appreciate you. Lewis Aragon, good to see you. Here's a blue wrench, my man. Welcome to the BLUECREW, and thanks for your support. Thanks for hitting the likes on the way in. Thanks for the 2 viewers and the 1 like. Appreciate you. Yeah, Reaper token's been doing its thing. And, but here on this channel, we don't really have any biases towards any one particular project over another's. So, if we can keep the, Reaper, not saying that you're going to spam, but just to keep, respect the chat. Respect the chat, please. We already know about the Reaper coin and how awesome it could possibly be. And there's a ton of others, and that's what we're here to talk about. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a pro trader, and I'll never tell you what to do. What's up, BLUECREW, Ledger Citizens, and Green Giants? Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Auto Glass Express, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream. So let's jump into it, you guys. Appreciate the support once again. Thanks for fighting the algorithms with me. The algorithms are definitely coming on tough in this live stream for today. We're starting off on a little bit slower than we usually do, but it is what it is. Let's jump into it, though. Bitcoin at around 21K. It's a red day overall in the markets, right? So are there opportunities? Are we going to another low for BTC? Are we going to 18K possibly, or 17K? Right? Or are we creating a higher low, at least from where we were when we were at 19K or 20K for BTC? We have still yet to see, but it definitely is red across the board. And, XRP back at 33 cents as well. But let's see what's up in the past 24 hours. Tribe up in the past 24 hours. You also got XFi doing its thing at 45 cents, up 10% in the past 24 hours. EOS doing its thing. BRD up about 14.9%. We like BRD at around a penny range right there. Energy Web Token at $5. Not doing too bad, man. Energy Web Token's been on a tear, 103%. in the past month or so. So really good gains going on right there with Energy Web Token. We got XDB finally taking off towards the upside. It dipped just under the 1 penny range. Now we start coming up about 11%. So there's still gains on this day, but in the major cap cryptos, it's definitely red across the board. Yeah, RPM, EWT is definitely flying very well in the past month, man. How's it going, RPM? Appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for your support, as always, my dude. 2A Crypto in the house. Good to have you here. Thanks for the 4 viewers, the 4 likes. Thanks for fighting against the algorithm and saving me here, you guys. Thank you so much. Let's jump into some Twitter news. We'll come back to the charts. Flare drops. So the title of this video, Flare Drops, is now on Songbird. If you already minted your first NFT on Flare Drops, post your link below. I'll start mine with a little piece of Flare community history. Forever etched into the blockchain, 500 SGB for a Flare community NFT. And then let's go to Flare Finance and see their original posts for this. Actually, I think I have it on the wall here, so I don't have to go anywhere. Let's go down. Let's go down. Yeah, a lot of good news today. So Flare Drops Beta has officially launched on Songbird. Our platform provides the first public NFT minting contracts on Songbird network. We're bullish on SGB and great to see some more utility coming. Now with NFT minting smart contracts, all artists are now welcome to mint NFTs code free on Songbird. You go to this link, xfd.flr.finance. Let's see this trailer that they have that has like some monoliths in it, without a doubt. Interesting symbolism there for sure. But let me pause the music here. Let's check out this video. Once again, thanks for everybody tuning in. What's up, Ricky Bustamante? Good to see you. Why didn't I get a notice? Dude, the YouTube algo is fighting strong today. Fighting very, very strong. So I appreciate you guys hitting those likes, getting the awareness out there that we're live streaming, and letting the other BLUECREW members, letting, people, possible new subscribers, all that good stuff, know about what we're doing here with the channel, and some really cool news. So let's just jump into it. Here we go. All right. Hopefully the volume's okay.
As a choice, I choose the impossible. I need to see where the artist would not feel the sense that a great will not be constrained by the small, that a scientist would not be bound by any humanity. I chose to build.
So Flare Drops, is this the beginning of a campaign for FLR, for Flare Finance? It's funny that now we're starting to get some more news of Flare Finance or things with Songbird token as we're in observation mode with Flare, right? Which is expected for us to be coming out of observation mode in September, right? Now, are we going to, could it be delayed? For sure. It's happened plenty of times before, right? But very exciting times, good news. And if you go to XFD FLR Finance, you can log into your MetaMask here, but we're not going to do that right now. But you can see the collections that are already up there, and you can see prices. You can browse around. You can see the type of volume. Like a ton of volumes already started coming in for this Flare community banner. Like this one, it started with an offer of about 1 wrapped SGB. Now it's a little bit higher. I expect it to go even higher as well. That one's currently moonshotting for sure. You got some Samurai NFTs that are out here for 25 SGB. That's not bad, man. Getting a Flare network or a Samurai right here. This sounds pretty dope. Floor is 25 SGB, which is like what, $2? I guess there's 100 of these and 100 of those, right? All these individual ones. But yeah, you gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. NFTs, DeFi, XRP utility, SGB utility, FLR utility. Exciting times. Inspector 420 in the chat. What's up? Right, guys, in the chat. Good to see you guys. Okay, now we got the viewers jumping on in. They're getting some notifications. The Blue Crew's getting the heads up. Appreciate you guys tuning in. So we just checked out the trailer for the Flare Drops beta that's happening, launching on Songbird. Our platform provides the first public NFT minting contracts on the Songbird network. Once again, here's the trailer.
As a choice, I choose the impossible. Having to see what the artist would not feel in the sense that a great will not be constrained by the small, that a scientist would not be bound by any formality. I chose to build.
So yeah, let's jump into, I'll share the URL or the link for this if you guys want to check this out.
We all make choices.
I haven't participated in it myself, but I'm definitely very bullish on Songbird, and I'm liking where Songbird's at currently with you know, it's been at 2 cents for a really long time so far. It looks like it's flatlined for a good bit, but hopefully we start to see some pickup in interest now with xfd.flr.finance. Hopefully we see those collections shooting up. I mean, now we got sologenic decks with NFTs, right? And the advent of XLS20, we got Songbird doing its thing. We got FLR. It's going to be an exciting time for the XRP community, XRP ecosystem, FLR ecosystem, AVAX, right? Because AVAX is also involved with FLR, and same thing with Ethereum. So, you know, excited to see when FLR is out of observation mode. But of course, you know, the utility build up for SGB as well as the Canary testnet for it. EOS is pumping a little. Yeah, we were just talking about it. We went over the top gainers in the past 24 hours. There's EOS, there's BRD. EOS has been doing good, 50% up in the past 30 days, but are we chasing the pumps? I will not be, but EOS, I mean, definitely has a ton of potential. It's way down from its all-time high, so sure, this could still be a good entry point for this type of asset, but I'd rather be buying it on a red day. Not really into buying cryptos when they're green across the board like that. XFi, you know, is one to look into because now we got Flare Finance doing its thing with the Flare Drops and the NFTs, and I think it's going to draw some interest to at least some Flare. Dude, this fly needs to. There's like a fly who just like loves roaming around here on the stream. But yeah, XFi token with Flare Finance and what they're doing with DeFi. XFi token super small supply of about 110 million. Very low market cap. Potential volume could increase here. It's been flatlined for some time. And if Flare Finance can really take off and be a considerable DeFi platform for the Flare ecosystem, you can have some really good momentum coming in. Remember that I thought that EOS could be something big since the virtual property I bought on Upland gave me the deed in the EOS network. Yeah, Ricky Bustamante, that is very interesting. I mean, EOS definitely had the biggest ICO, right? And it has a lot of interest, and they didn't even want to deal with U.S. regulations. They decided to move away from the United States so they can have more implementations outside of the U.S. And once again, EOS is part of the blockchain service network. EOS does have the capabilities to surprise a lot of people, but you know, we're not too big on it. But it's definitely one, you know, that may be worth taking a swing to the fences for, because there's a lot of FUD that's come with EOS, but it was also like the biggest ICO like in the history of crypto, right? At least at the time. What's up, guys? All right, let me put the volume back up. Let me get the music back in here. Thanks for everybody tuning in. Thanks for hitting the likes, fighting against the YouTube algorithms here. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Shout out to the Green Giants and Ledger Citizens. It's Crypto Talk Radio. We're hanging out. All right, back to it. We were looking at the chart here for XRP. I mean, XRP has been going sideways. We still have a chance right here to find support at around this range. I mean, we're not under 30 cents or hell, even at 29 cents yet. So anywhere from there and we start pivoting and start showing some bullish momentum, we could be taken to even higher highs, somewhere around perhaps like 43, 44 cents for XRP, right? And then if best case scenario, we go up and we have a really nice relief rally up to close to $1, right? Before, like our next level of resistance here is about the 53 cent range. But if we break past that, we can go up to about 90 cents, which I have a hard time seeing. So I would think we go to 53 cents, we retrace really hard, and then maybe go below, down to the 20 cent range or so, and that would be our official bottom if the bottom is not in. But anyways, let's get back to the Twitter news. We'll look at some charts and other things in just a second. R3 posting news. We are excited to share that the DTCC selected R3's Corda as the underlying DLT for its Project Ion settlement platform. Guys, I know a lot of people are sleeping on this. A lot of people are not seeing the gravity of what's going on in the past 2 days. Something's going on with Corda. There's a rollout going on right now with Corda, right? And you have CordaCon coming out in 2022. But to have the DTCC and the BIS say they're implementing or, using R3 Corda, or, having a technology partner, right? So we had our original news here saying R3 technology partner for Project Dunbar, which is BIS Innovation Hub and a ton of central banks, right? That's involved with that. And now today, you have the DTCC for Project Ion, which we've talked about Project Ion in the past. We think this is part of, what Bear BG123 may have been talking about in terms of keep your eye on the prize. Project Ion uses DLT. And so here's the news. We're excited to share that DTCC selected R3's Corda as the underlying DLT for its Project Ion settlement platform, which is now live in a parallel production environment, processing over 100,000 transactions per day. And what does Corda Settler use, right? Does it use XRP? People say it only uses XDC. What if it uses both? Either way, this is massive news. Massive news that 2 days in a row with really big entities, the BIS Innovation Hub and the DTCC, announcing use of Corda and R3. I mean, there's a lot of good news building up right here for R3, and they could be the winner. This could be them already revealing to us that R3 is the winner of that CBDC Tech Challenge that is happening, the G20 Tech Sprint that the BIS Innovation Hub and Bank of Indonesia are collaborating with. So don't sleep on R3, don't sleep on XRP, don't sleep on XLM and XDC. Really big news coming out, rolling out, and a lot of people in the crypto space don't care about the BIS, don't care about the DTCC, but they're saying they're using DLT, guys, distributed ledger technology. That's huge. Lurking and working, Lady Enigma in the house. What's up, Lady Enigma? Good to see you. Guys, thanks for the 8 viewers, the 11 likes. Appreciate you tuning in. Edward Franklowski, good to see you, man. Hopefully you all are having a wonderful Monday. Getting that money, living your best life. However it's going, I hope it's going well. Sorry. Carry on, I apologize. Do your thing. No worries, man. No worries, Ricky. Alright. And then Mojaloop want to work with the DFS Lab. What is the DFS Lab? Early stage investor that supports high potential founders, right, and digital commerce. And their network to mentor creates interoperable payment solutions. Mojaloop Bootcamp next month in September 2nd. We like keeping up with what's going on with Mojaloop there. Sparkle's NFT posting. The XRP community will see tremendous value from Flare networks. So will all the other non-EVM chains that Flare is supporting in the creation of F assets. Sparkles is so excited to bring NFTs to these communities, bringing NFTs to the Bitcoin community, to the Litecoin community. Hell, Algorand's already been getting some NFTs, but yeah, why not more DeFi for Algorand? I mean, that's quite a bunch for Algorand to be involved with, right? So not sleeping on Algorand here, and then of course XLM there as well, and Doge, right? So yeah, those F assets might actually gain some momentum as well. So keep an eye out for that. New UK bill released by CoinDesk. UK crypto industry welcomes new stablecoin rules and awaits guidance. A proposed bill could give UK regulators new powers over payments-focused crypto assets, perhaps like stablecoins, or perhaps like something like XRP. But details on how the rules might be interpreted by financial watchdogs are still pending. BIS posting about the Green Swan Conference, right? They had a Green Swan Conference back in 2021, and this was the same year that they announced their ISO 20022 hackathon winner being Mojaloop. It was a conference that now brings together, or what's it called? It has been more than a year since the first Green Swan Conference, but its messages are still relevant today, perhaps even more so, right? We're keeping our eyes out on the BIS, man, without a doubt. XDC network, now an RPC service for XDC network. XDC's news has been ramping up as well, and coincidentally, R3's news has been ramping up. I wonder what's going on. So XDC RPC, a decentralized RPC service for XDC network, welcomes you to run nodes and get rewarded. Register your interest to run XDC RPC nodes. Oh snap. Opportunities to possibly earn XDC or something else, right? So a remote procedure call, communication protocol that allows one program to request services from another system, right? So what could be the rewards though? So RPC providers called node farmers will contribute towards a new decentralized free and fastest RPC service. They get rewarded in tokens for adding infrastructure and other related contributions to the RPC service health. We invite the community members interested in running nodes to register their interest and give feedback submitting this Google form. So I'll share this link if anybody is interested to look into this deeper. Let me know how it goes. Very interesting though, just more and more growth for the XDC network. Not sleeping on it. It's doing really well during this bear cycle as well. Its momentum, has been above a penny for some time. Airdrop update for the Cosmos ecosystem. Odin Protocol, a cross-chain data oracle built on Cosmos, has their airdrop for the ticker GEO. The snapshot was taken on the 21st of August 2022, so that's already been passed, right? So eligibility will be Osmo holders and stakers, and Atom holders and stakers. Atom's still doing some cool airdrops you can earn passive income with. Not bad. Speaking of other passive income opportunities, DeFi land in the Solana ecosystem. Good morning, Going Mobile. We are excited to end the mystery of Going Mobile announced that DeFi land will be launching on Android, iOS, and Solana Saga devices. Oh man, Solana Saga. That's going to be very interesting. A Solana phone. DeFi Land Mobile will be the most user-friendly and engaging farming game to get in the crypto. So DeFi Land. I like it, man. I feel like they're trying to do like maybe something like Farmville in combo with like your DeFi and stuff, or like a visual representation of these liquidity pools or farms or whatever. It is pretty fun. Just this is one of my more like, I guess, degen plays, if you want to call it that. So DFL, under a penny right now, part of the Solana ecosystem. I could see people sold the news. But yeah, it's been going sideways for a good long while. Max supply, but they keep building. They just keep building through this bear cycle. So we're keeping an eye on DFL, and I think it's an interesting concept. I haven't really seen anything else like this in the space, so we're keeping an eye out on it. What's up, G and Crypto family? Good to see you, Funky Fresh. How you doing, my man? Appreciate you tuning in. And once again, thanks for everybody and their support. Thanks for the 13 likes, the 10 viewers. Thanks to any new subs. We're trying to get to 3,500 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's see if we can. But that's it for the Twitter news, I believe. We got we got Pangolin, which they're doing an airdrop to SGB holders, right? What is a price oracle? And they educate people on DeFi price oracles, and they mention Flare and Songbird Network utilize the Flare time series oracles, right? Talking about delegation of SGB. Very excited for the future of Songbird Network. So good to see more news outside of just even the Flare drops that happened today. So once again, Flare drops now on Songbird, and you can go to the link to Flare Finance and start getting involved in the NFT community with Songbird, right? Purchase a Sugar Bear, purchase a Samurai, purchase some of these cool artworks with SGB. Am I going to go out and do it right away? Perhaps. I mean, this could be, you know, I remember how crazy it was with Magic Eden and Solana, and it could be this way with SGB. It really just depends if enough volume can really come in. But, I mean, this is day one, you guys. So, day one, you could be setting yourself up pretty well with some interesting, you know, I feel like these Flare Samurais would be fun, or like Samurai artworks would be cool to get, like one of these, and they're pretty cheap. 25 SGB. It's like $2. Did you look at Jed McCaleb's last tweet? I did not, Autoglass. Seems like Rosie Rios considers Bitcoin a floating asset. I mean, don't all the powers to be consider Bitcoin to be like just a massive speculative investment? Appreciate it, Lady E. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I think this is really good news. I mean, it's good to finally see this thing rolling out, man. Like, you know, we've been following this for some time, but it's kind of, you know, we haven't talked about it in a long time because it's like it was so far from, you know, being able to do things like this now where you're able to actually participate in DeFi and purchase the NFTs and really see, you know, really see use of the networks like Songbird and FLR. And I think, you know, there's tremendous opportunities there without a doubt. All right, so let's get into the deep red section and let's open up the phone lines. People can call in, try to save me. Just say, you know, we try to do one caller at a time. And, you know, feel free to jump on in, ask a question, or, you know, shout out a crypto that you like. Please try to keep it crypto related, of course. And, you know, or shout out the BLUECREW and the Green Giants. Feel free to say what's up. So here, let me send out the invite. It's a save me segment. Save me for myself, y'all. Here we go. All right, jump it. We'll wait for somebody to jump in while we're looking at the deep reds, looking for some opportunities here in the space. What cryptos are down about 80, 90, 70% plus, and hoping for some good, you know, good pivots, good momentum shifts, right? Let's go for the 90-day chart. So XDB at around a penny, BRD, they're like our penny collection cryptos here. Good to see Rowan token back up about the 004. We're climbing ourselves out of a hole on this one. Man, this fly really likes to get close and personal. Rowan token at 005, not looking too bad. I mean, 98% down on the year, and they're trying to be an omni-chain DEX. Pretty small supply, good staking percentage, so good opportunities for passive income with Rowan token. And it's not like a triple or a quadruple percent APY type of thing with the coin that you don't know if it's going to be there tomorrow or not. Rowan, you know, they have a legitimate team. They're members of the Thor chain and, you know, people who built Rune. They're building on the Cosmos ecosystem. They're, you know, establishing these partnerships and bridging towards a lot of EVM, you know, Ethereum-based chains, but now Solana and, you know, many others in the future, Avalanche, right? Stronghold at 0006. I mean, we hate to see it here, but man, right across the board, Stronghold just once again a diamond in our deep reds lists. I would say the, you know, Stronghold definitely the top one right here in terms of ones that I would be kind of aping in on. I do like Sologenic here at under 15 cents. I can't believe we even got to, guys, we got to 15 cents with Solo. Are you kidding me? Like, remember, we saw value at it with it at 10 cents, and then it led to a nice run. We thought we were going to see a bottom there at 19 cents, but it came down to 15 cents, and I really think, you know, 5 cents above the last historical previous low right here. I mean, there's opportunities right here with Sologenic. People are seeing it, at least in the past hour or so, with this momentum upward, but super low supply for Solo. 15 cents. Are you kidding me? You can buy NFTs on there. They're implementing XLS20. They're one of the OG projects in the XRPL ecosystem. Sologenic looking like a tremendous value there as well. Alliance Block, they're building on Songbird. They got connections with Hedera Hashgraph, so we're keeping our eyes out on them. Stronghold on it. Funky Fresh is on it, that's for sure. Shout out to Funky Fresh. And once again, guys, feel free to join the stream, call in. You don't have to worry about interrupting me. I'm waiting for you to jump in. So, you know, I'm just talking while we wait for somebody to jump in and say what's up. You know, somebody give us some motivation for the week ahead. Help us start our Mondays off on a right note. Let's see what else we got. We got Secret Token. If you're into the privacy-focused type of crypto, Secret Token at $1.13, not looking too bad, right? XFi, super low supply, under $1, around 50 cents now. Could it be chasing the pump with 9.8 gains in the past 24 hours? Sure, but super low supply for this crypto. And if DeFi really starts taking off on, Flare Networks and Flare Finance, XFi could be a big benefactor. Corium, right? Corium connected with Sologenic right across the board. Could be some opportunities right here. Super low supply with Corium as well. So I'm liking the Sologenic Corium combo right here, and trying to see if there's value to be had, right? Let me see if they have SFIN listed on here still. Yeah, Songbird Finance token. Let's add that one. I'm a deaf mute. What's up, Mike Kavanaugh? I'm at work, G, but one of these days, bro. Oh, no worries, Funky Fresh. Appreciate your support as always, dude. The Rothschilds want your Safe Moon Inu. Oh, man, I bet they do. I bet they do. DAG is a good deal, under 8 cents in my opinion. Let's check out DAG. Constellation. Yeah, right across the board, 76% down on the year. Definitely looking like a really good value. Under 8 cents. Not looking too bad. I mean, could be oversold at this point. And you're right. Potential to create a higher low right here. This is a really nice opportunity right here with DAG. If you believe that it has, you know, reached a bottom at around the 6 cent range. And now you're getting closer to that. Yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see, because it could get deadly. I mean, remember, this is a crypto that was one of the ones that was under a penny and just shot up to 46 cents, right? From under a penny. So you could see it go down a little bit lower, but man, at least dollar cost averaging seems like a good opportunity right here, and to possibly catch a pivot. I need money to buy this dip. What's up, Alex E? Good to see you, my man. Happy to see everybody here. Thanks for the 17 viewers, the 18 likes. The phones are open if anybody wants to call in. Say what's up, shout out the Blue Crew, or, you know, tell us some new crypto-related news, or tell us about a crypto that we should keep our eyes out on. We got the Eye of the Tiger here on the channel, right? So we're looking at the deep reds. We were just highlighting Digital Bits, BRD, Rowan Token, SHX, right? DAG. I mean, if you're interested in StoreX, I think StoreX is a great opportunity if you know how to run a node. Earn some StoreX. If you believe in the XDC community and you believe what StoreX is doing could be an interesting one. Sologenic at 15 cents I think is a tremendous value here, you guys. I'm really liking Sologenic at 15 cents, considering its historical low was around 10 cents. So the closer we get to that, the more I'm thinking the bottom is going to be in with Sologenic, and there's going to be a ton of utility coming for the Sologenic DEX. You know, you can already buy NFTs on the Sologenic DEX, but now with the implementation of XLS20, I think that's going to be very beneficial for this OG XRPL project. Alliance Block, not looking too bad. Clayton, part of the blockchain service network, and a lot of people sleep on Clayton, but they got really good connections and, you know, big time collaborators with HBAR, right? So we're liking Clayton here at around 24 cents as well. Experimental finance token. I mean, it just depends if you want to be, if you think you know, there's going to be positive momentum. If you believe in this project, if you believe in Flare Finance, then, you know, SFIN, Experimental Finance Token, and SGB, you know, definitely on the radar, right? H-bar at 6 cents, red across the board, 70+% down. We're loving a lot of these cryptos on the main page here. We don't even have to go into the deep reds. I mean, a lot of these are looking tremendous, right? IOTA at 28 cents. Quant. I mean, if Quant dips below 100, I think a lot of people will be interested in that. I think Tezos is such a tremendous value for a crypto that has the possibility of being a triple-digit coin in the future. I think Tezos is a really, really, really solid one. I mean, 150, guys. Like, this reminds me of seeing Tezos back in 2018, right? Or here, 2019, around 50 cents for a bit. And then it started to do its rise up, man. So we must be getting close to a bottom here with Tezos. And I'm loving it with its supply of about 927 million, right? They have DeFi. They have NFTs. They got a community that's building. They got multiple use cases for Tezos. It has serious connections with Ripple. Keeping an eye out on that one. What's up, Alan? Good to see you. Appreciate you tuning in. And once again, guys, the phone lines are open up. The link is in the chat if anybody wants to just jump in and send us off on a good week. Maybe we just take one caller for today. So at the pace this is going, it doesn't seem like anybody's in a rush to jump in, so I'll just continue the spiel. Avalanche, if Avalanche does dip under 20, we're going for it. We do like it here, though. We do like Avalanche at around $22, considering where its previous all-time high is. And if Flare is launching, Flare uses Avalanche, Flare's using Ethereum, Flare uses XRP. 720 million max supply for Avalanche. Colorado Avalanche winning the NHL championship. Keep an eye out for this sleeper. Avalanche could catch a lot of people by surprise in the next bullish cycle. You know, all these layer ones that are kind of Ethereum competitors. I mean, it could be Ethereum that really, you know, maybe flips Bitcoin, is the first one to flip Bitcoin, for example. And then you have the rise of ADA, Solana, Polkadot, Matic, AVAX, TRX, right? Near Protocol, XLM implementing smart contracts, XRP implementing smart contracts, Atom, Algorand. Hell, H-bar, right? And they could be interoperable with each other in the future, right? Cross-chain interoperability. Oh, all good, Alan. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for the heads up. I mean, we're getting close to wrapping it up here. We're at the deep reds part of our stuff. But here, let me just refresh everybody once again with the news. Flare drops now on Songbird. So there's a link to Flare Finance. xfd.flr.finance. Flare drops beta is officially launched on Songbird. Our platform provides the first public NFT minting contracts on the Songbird network. All artists are now welcome to mint NFTs code-free. Code-free on Songbird. Let's see the rise of some artists who don't know how to work with code but want to create some NFTs. And this is just the beginning, man. This is just the beginning. We're still in observation mode with Flare, but hopefully as we're coming out and hopefully more growth of the SGB network continues, then we'll start seeing more DeFi opportunities coming out in the Flare ecosystem, Flare Finance, Songbird. Exciting times ahead, without a doubt. But yeah, shout out to the Blue Crew. Thanks for everybody tuning in. Let's see if we got any new news. We got Stronghold posting, proud to announce that we are finalists for the North America Visa Everywhere Initiative. The winner will be announced August 29th during a live show. This event will have real-time voting for a community favorite, so mark your calendars and vote for Stronghold. What? What? Are you kidding me? Visa Everywhere Initiative and Stronghold's a part of it? What does this mean? North American Finals? What? Right? So let's see if they put the names here. So the judges that are going to be there, our Visa Business Solutions of North America, right? Yeah, Global Bank to Bank, Fin Capital. All right, let's see if they have a list of the finalists here, though. Doesn't look like it. But that's crazy. Guys, I can't believe the value that I can't believe the value that SGB is at right now with that type of news, right? It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy, not going to lie. What else do we got here? Coincidence? I don't even know what they're talking about here, but I don't know what building he's at right here, but interesting. All right. So yeah, I think that's the news for now. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful start to your Monday. No callers coming in today. I get it. It's the start of Monday. Everybody's trying to get it off on the right foot. So appreciate you all tuning in. Let's hope BTC doesn't go below 19K. That would be very sad times. But it looks like another wonderful time to be a tiger and seeing the blood on the streets here and taking advantage of these dips. You know, we love these red days. This is, you know, we consider the red days to be buy days. We don't chase the pumps. But once again, I'm not a financial advisor, not a pro trader, and I'll never tell you what to do. Thanks for all the new subscribers, viewers. You guys know how to YouTube. Appreciate your support. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Always grateful. Thank you, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto community, BLUECREW, and all the communities out there. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Our future is bright. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep the eye of the tiger, y'all. DTCC and BIS Innovation Hub talking about partnering up with Corda, Settler. Huge stuff, man. Wonderful, wonderful times ahead. All right. Much love, everybody. See you guys in the next one. Adios.